Hello everyone, I am Dr. Subhash Chetri. I have started a new YouTube channel called Child Health Education. It is to impart uh, health education regarding children's health to parents in common man's language, avoiding technical terms. I will be having the channel in two languages, English and Hindi. All the videos will be narrated in English and Hindi. I also have a website called childhealtheducation.net where I put blog articles regarding children's health. If you want to learn somewhat more about children's health, you can visit there. This is my first video, and the topic of this video is normal findings in newborn which parents think are abnormal. Since these are normal findings, none of this require any treatment. The first normal finding is red color rash. In medicine, we call it erythema toxicum. It occurs in half of all newborns between 2 to 5 days of life. It occurs in chest, as you can see here in this baby, chest, abdomen and face. It disappears within 2 weeks. No treatment is needed. Parents often apply cream or powder which may cause secondary infection, and that should be avoided. Skin peeling occurs in those babies which are born beyond the expected date of delivery. These are called postpartum babies. These are born usually 2 to 3 weeks after the date which have been given to parents by doctors. It also occurs in babies which are born in around normal date of delivery, but they are low in birth weight. That is called less than 2.5 kg is called low birth weight babies. Although it also subsides by itself, if parents are really concerned, they can apply oil, they can do oil massaging, with which it will decrease. Some babies will have white dots on nose, mouth and chin. These white dots in medically we call as melia. It disappears within few weeks or months. Some babies have white dot on the palate. Roof of the mouth is called palate. As shown here, this type of white dots are called abstinent pearls. It occurs in the midline of the roof of the mouth. Most babies lose weight in first week. Only those babies, low birth weight babies, as I said before, less than 2.5 kgs and normally born babies, normal time born babies, this type of babies, they do not lose weight. If the baby is born prematurely, that means less than 3 weeks prior to the expected date of delivery. These type of babies are born in 8 months, 7 months. These are also lower in birth weight, less than 2.5 kg. This type of babies lose lot of weight. Normally born term babies also with normal weight also lose weight. Prematurely born babies also lose weight. Only low birth weight babies born at normal date of delivery do not lose much weight. Weight loss should be less than 10% of the birth weight. Usually it occurs in after 24 hours. The weight will become minimum at around 5 to 7 days. After 7 days, baby starts regaining weight, and by 10 days they have birth weight, they have same weight as that of birth. If the weight is not gained by 10 days, it is usually abnormal, and it is usually because baby is not getting enough milk. This has to be shown to the doctor. Usually this type of babies will already be in the hospital. Now, the babies often pass frequent stools between 2 to 3 days, lasting for around 1 week. These are semi-solid and not watery. This type of stools are called transitional stools. If it is watery, it is diarrhea. So only if the baby is passing watery stools and frequent stools, you need to show to a doctor. If the stool is semi-solid, black or green in color, these are transitional stools. These are normal. Most babies spit out milk. Around 2/3 of the babies will spit out milk immediately after feed. You give milk to the baby, after some 10 to 15 minutes they spit it out, and these are normal. It is decreased by lifting the baby erect on your shoulder and patting on the back for some 10 to 15 minutes after feeding. It reduces as the baby grows older by 6 to 9 months, and usually by 1 year none of the baby will spit milk. If however the milk spitted out is yellow in color, or it contains blood, or baby makes unusual postures, suppose baby stretches its back and neck after feeding, these are abnormal and has to be shown to a doctor. Female babies may have white discharge on the vagina. These look like curdy white, and parents should not attempt to remove it because it may cause injury. Often babies, not often, in minority of baby girls, they may pass blood in from vagina between 2 to 3 days, and it will settle by itself by 1 week. This is also normal. Although it is scary for parents, it is normal. If however bleeding is occurring from other sides also, suppose he is bleeding from in stool also, bleeding from mouth also, these are abnormal and has to be shown to a doctor. Why it occurs, I have described it in my blog. It is the reason is similar to the bleeding occurring in reproductive age women and girls. Now, jaundice occurs in almost all newborns. Usually it is harmless if the mother's blood group is negative blood group or O blood group. Jaundice reduces by 2 weeks time. Sometimes it may last for 1 month. However, if it is persisting beyond 2 weeks, you must show to a doctor. You should show to a doctor if the baby is not feeding well also. If urine is very yellow, making the diaper itself yellow, or stool is white in color, I will suggest that if you are able to see jaundice, if you yourself are able to see the baby is very yellow, you must show to a doctor, whatever be the blood group of the mother. Now finally, sneeze, hiccups and yawning. Because of the corona pandemic, parents are especially concerned when the baby sneezes. But however, these are normal. It is usually because dust has entered into the nose, and presence of sneeze, hiccups, yawning indicates that the baby is quite healthy. I thank all my teachers because of whom I learned pediatrics, the knowledge which I am sharing with all of you today. And I also thank parents because of their repeated questioning. I got an idea to launch this channel. I also request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel, and also click the bell icon on the below. This bell icon, if you press, you will get the notification whenever I upload knowledgeable videos like this. Thank you very much.